Good evening, this is Wolvenam speaking. I'm back with part 6 of my Castle MontyClere build. I was planning to build a stable. As you can see, this is the place I am planning to place it. I don't know if it will fit here, so I have to find the stable first and see how it looks. To the right side now I have the bathroom, big grand bathroom. And I have a staircase in the middle of where I want to place my stable, as you can see. I was thinking perhaps I could fit the stable so I could have an entrance somewhere on the right side or perhaps on the left side of this staircase. But when I placed the stable I saw it would be very little place to do that. As you can see here now, I have place on the right side there, but I need to get a horse through there, and I think it's gonna be a bit small. So I start using constraint floor elevation falls, remove the staircase, and build a new one. And that's what I've been doing now. To build a new staircase within this already existing build, I need to raise the level where I want to place the entrance to the staircase. That is here. So it's one regular floor height. That's what I did when I just placed a square box. And as you can see here, staircase goes down very nicely. And I have these bugs with flakes of floor tiles or whatever. I haven't been painting this ceiling yet, so it must be connected to the constraint floor elevation falls. It happened when I placed the new entrance to the staircase here by using constraint floor elevation. And I'm trying to place the stable. As you can see, it's a bit cramped there. So I'm thinking perhaps I should place it somewhere else. I need to have an entrance to this stable. The gatehouse is on the right side there, as you can see. So I need some room there for the entrance to the stable. I haven't really been building that many stables, but I have built once for Avila de Pompeii. No, it's from Pompeii. I just don't remember the name of it. Villa de Mysteria, perhaps? Yeah, that's right. So I know I can have a stable in here. It requires a few things for it to work. And now I'm using constraint floor elevations to place the staircase on the side here, and then I lower this wall down to the foundation level. That's my default level. And just have one tile there for the door. So I have two staircases and remove one. Yeah, I think I included this part actually twice. But here I fit my stable at least. On the right side area I have I'm planning to build a wall just in front of it, and have an opening for the door for the horses. I did that in Villa de Misteri. It worked very nicely. I had a column in front of that on that door on the right and left side. I just have to move the stable first. And here I'm leaving one tile for opening to the stable. I have a problem with my mouse, my trackball, Logitech trackball mouse. It sometimes loses connection, so I slip. Yeah, you can see it sometimes. It just drops whatever I'm holding on, and have to do it again. And I'm all the time going up, as you can see, the floor above to clean up the mess I made. It's because floor elevation always distort what you have above you, so you have to go around and clean it up. Well, it's not doing anything below. So that's part of your planning. And here you can see I I lose the connection in between. And I turn off and on the constraint floor elevation all the time because I don't want to distort the wrong kind of structure. Here you can see I fit columns in there. I don't go entirely up to the roof, but I don't bother about that. It's gonna look good anyway. A little bit more stately stable perhaps, fitting a stately house. And I have to have the handles for the doors at the right place. You can see I'm turning the doors back and forth. That's because I want the door to to the basement in this case on the right place. And here is the staircase up to the second floor. I need to have additional staircase. It's not just the one to and the grand staircase. And here's just the bath fitting this staircase, and making a kind of a balcony on the upper floor perhaps. Not quite sure about that yet. Maybe fitting a gym up there, I'm not sure. I need some bedrooms and bathrooms in this house, but not that many. You can't have too many. Now you can see on the left side here, the staircase to the second floor is the side of that staircase is visible through the wall. I'm gonna fix that a little bit later. Now I'm just copying floor paint and wall paint from the swimming pool. Yeah, now you could have seen me taking off the wall and put up a new one. And then I'll put down the staircase after, instead of putting it down first and then building up a wall. The sequence, or how you choose to do things, is very important in this game. And here I have lots of see-through walls. Quite a few of those I'm not gonna bother with. They just have to be that way. Here's the grand bathroom. I'm gonna fill in some windows there on that wall. And on the left side there is also a high wall. And you can see the little alcoves, or what you call them, to left and right side at the front there. I'm gonna fit some windows in there. It will be a bit higher. I'm planning about having a swimming pool or a swimming pool as a bath kind of tub thing. Perhaps I'm not totally sure yet. Suddenly the bathroom is too small. And you see this high wall above the windows just isn't looking good. Now I'm thinking about how to decorate a bathroom. I'm also thinking about how to separate this into male and female. I can't really build two grand bathrooms. That's not gonna be very practical. A bit too much, perhaps. I'd rather fit some more interesting features so I can do more in this house. I can have other bathrooms, other places. And this is the ground paint in the stable. I'm just testing different kinds. The green grass you can see is the default EA grass. With my new graphics card it's just looking green basically. That's not how this is gonna look. So I'm now gonna go on doing some terrain painting and elevation work in the front here, as you can see. I wanted to be a little bit smooth because I have to make a pathway down to the entrance. And as you can see, some places I have this sticking out corners, very hard corners. It's from the basement below. So I have to remove parts of the basement to make it possible to have more smooth edges. Yeah, I think that can be about enough for this video. It's now 15 minutes long. I'm fitting some windows in there. That's the additional bathroom. See you in part 7. Thank you.